Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I have a unboxing video for you guys, and it is from one of my favorite brands, and it is Bottega Veneta. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. And little bit of spoiler alert, if you already follow me on my Instagram, or if you have already seen my Insta Reels, then you might know what I have picked up from Bottega Veneta. And I've been eyeing up this item. There is a hint. I've been eyeing up this item for a very long time, and I went to Bottega a couple of times in order to try out different type of styles, colors, shapes. I hope I make any more hints. So I've been trying out all the different types of things in order to see which one is suitable or which one I really like in order to go and splurge it. And also this was like a mini birthday treat to myself. Obviously my Paris trip was my huge birthday gift to myself, so this is like a mini kind of gift to myself for my birthday. And without any more further opening, let me just get it from the bag. Basically, if I get it out, you guys know what I bought from Bottega. And before I show it, a little bit of a story. I am a huge fan of Bottega Veneta. Sorry, I'm just looking outside because the sun is shining and it's quite nice outside. So I'm a huge fan of Bottega. You guys might know that, and I literally love this brand. If I could buy something from them, I could literally buy everything from the brand because I love their stuff so much. From clothes, from shoes, maybe not the shoes that much, from accessories, clothes and stuff like that, and belts and other stuff such as sunglasses. So I picked myself a pair of Bottega sunglasses. If you would ask me like probably 5 years ago or 6 years ago, you will maybe spend a lot of money on Bottega Veneta. I'm like, ha, very funny. No, because it's not a brand that I would gravitate to or I will look into. However, we all know once Daniel Lee came into this house, he changed literally everything, and this triangle shape and this green color became so iconic within the brand, and I was like, I love it. So yeah, I picked myself a pair of sunglasses. Let me just show them to you guys before I ramble more and more. They come in a nice kind of cloth, which is nice and hidden. Oh, let me just remove this. Really lovely case. Like the inside is very nice, kind of protective felt, so it's very soft from the inside as well, which is good. And these are the sunglasses. Dun, 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 dun. These are the rectangle sunglasses. Now I don't know the exact name of these, however I will make sure I will link the exact ones down below, because you'll find them on the Bottega website, you'll find it in Mr. Porter, and you'll find it on Farfetch, or maybe also Net-a-Porter, or maybe My Teresa or something like that. So I'm gonna leave all the links down below in the description box where I can find them, because Bottega has a lot of styles of sunglasses. Now their styles are so unique, and there were so many different type of glasses I had my eye on, and I came to the conclusion to get these ones because these are very nice simple square sunglasses. However, they have a very nice pointy shape in here. So they're very lovely and very unique. That's what I like. Cause kind of elevates the shape. Let me just try them on for you guys. Obviously I'm gonna insert some pictures and some videos how I wore them. These are them. Very nice, very lovely, and I love them. I love them because they have this kind of, as I said, this kind of pointy, kind of cat eye glass shape. The lens is black. However, it's not like black, so you can't see my eyes. You can barely see my eyes, which I like. So, and you can't see my eyes. There we go, finally got my words out of my mouth. What do you think? I love them a lot. The main reason why I like is because they have different type of styles. They have styles with just, so basically the Bottega logo has kind of stripes going on, this kind of gold stripes. If you know the brand, you will know that this is Bottega. They have this kind of gold accents just on the side in here on some of the glasses, and on some of them the kind of gold kind of accent goes at the front, and I wanted the glasses with the gold accent at the front in here because I love how it kind of shows the brand from the front as well as from the side. Now if you take a picture from this angle, from this kind of side angle, you can see this stripe, and the picture it looks like a normal straight kind of metal, which is so unique and so like optical illusion. And the same goes on this side. If you take a picture from this angle, you can see the metal part on a very nice kind of straight line. So this is kind of the concept of these sunglasses, which I really liked, and I've been wearing it like this and my holidays because I took them with me to Paris. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen my Paris vlog. If you guys have not watched it, then definitely go and check it out, because in there I have styled my sunglasses, I wore them, I love them, and if I say so myself, I looked really good in those sunglasses because I had my hair highlighted and they just looked super stylish and super nice in Paris. In terms of the price points, obviously it's Bottega, it's not that expensive. So these glasses, they retail for I think 285 or 295 if I'm not wrong. I feel like the sunglasses used to be much more cheaper. They used to be around 240 or 220 or 250. However, this brand had a price increase recently. Not recently, like a couple of months ago, and all of the stuff went up in price, which is great. The prices went up in Bottega, and I was like, do you know what? I need to get these sunglasses as soon as possible, or I wanted to get something else from the brand. Then I skipped it. However, I got these babies and I love them. I love them a lot. They also say Bottega here on the side, which is very nice. And yeah, they're very lovely. They're super comfortable, super lightweight as well. And what I like about them, on the nostrils they don't have this kind of plastic thing, so it's just the glasses. So super easy for me because I'm very scared, because sometimes I break the glasses because I wear them on my top of my head, so sometimes I break the metal and the plastic parts here at the front. However, they are super sturdy, super good quality. Of course it's plastic, and yeah, paying around £300 on plastic is not the best. However, in terms of the styles, I literally looked high and low of different type of alternatives of these sunglasses, but I couldn't find anything similar with this kind of shape, or with this kind of I don't know, it's kind of eye shape. So I was like, you know what, I can't find them, and let me just get these sunglasses. They're literally my favorite, and I've been wearing them non-stop. They obviously are the sunglasses. They will protect you from the sun, and they look very stylish, and I love them a lot. And as I said, check out my recent video, which is my Paris vlog, and there I've been wearing the sunglasses and loving them. And yeah, definitely go and check out the vlog, because in there you will see it. And there's so many different type of kind of styles of sunglasses from Bottega, which I have my eye on. Literally, there's another Bottega glasses in this kind of green accent tone, and it looks so nice. I'm gonna probably insert a video in here so you guys can see which one I'm talking about. And also there was another one just before I went and got these. I saw another pair which was brand new in the stores. It was called Stride or Street. The names are so different. It's this very heavy sturdy metal, kind of this shape in brown. It was this metallic brown, and oh my goodness, it looked so nice with my face shape and with my hair. However, those glasses were a little bit more pricier, literally double the price of these, so you guys can imagine. But the metal of those were much nicer. It was really nice sturdy metal, whereas with this one I feel like it's plastic, so that's why the price ones are different. However, that brown one, oh my god, I love it so much. So So yeah, hopefully maybe in my next holiday I might splurge myself with those sunglasses, because I'm really obsessed with the sunglasses. And who knew that I would buy a lot more from this brand, and I have done other purchases in the past. Definitely there are some videos here on my channel, so you guys go and have a peek if you are interested. And with this I'm gonna conclude this video in here. So very short and simple, sweet unboxing, and a little bit of a review of these sunglasses. Do let me know if you guys are also obsessed with Bottega and what is your favorite piece at this moment. And hopefully more Bottega unboxings or more Bottega hauls to come in this channel. Definitely follow me on my Instagram at @RamaBlogger. As I said, you will be more informed quickly than here on YouTube, because I'm more active on my Insta stories and on my Instagram over there, and I always post so many reels up in there. So there's so much kind of Paris reels in there, so definitely go and have a peek if you haven't already. I have nothing else to say except thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.